I hope you have seen the big news everywhere. Freedom app is now a part of Bosswala. But today, I didn't want you to know about this. Rather than that, I wanted to share this big news with my beloved community, you. Because you are the reason that we have come this far. From the very first video we have created to the millions of lives that we have touched, it has always been about you. And today, I want to thank all of you personally for being the part of this lovely family. Today, we have 14 million subscribers across all 14 channels and millions more on Facebook and Instagram. Our videos on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube have received around 400 millions of views. And you know how much is that? 40 crores views per month. And all this has come possible because of your love and your support. But let me tell you one thing, what we have done so far is just a beginning. The real work starts now. And I am committed to make this bigger, better and more impactful for you. And I know many of you might be wondering that will my favorite courses will still be available or not? Will my favorite mentors still teach? Let me assure you one thing, yes, we are still here. And not just that, we are coming back stronger. At Bosswala, now we have bigger resources, more experts and a stronger platform only to help you succeed in business and life. This is just the beginning. Expect more powerful courses, more deeper insights and more practical lessons which will help you build and grow your business. If you have learned with us so far, then get ready. We are about to take this to a next level. And you know what makes this even more exciting? The vision behind Bosswala. There are multiple platforms for competitive exams. But do you know any platform for creating an entrepreneur? For people like you who want to create businesses, who want to create jobs and earn an income. That's exactly what Bosswala is going to do. With the backing of legendary entrepreneur Mr. Shashi Reddy sir, we now have resources to make this platform the ultimate destination for Bharat's entrepreneur. His experience in building successful companies will not just strengthen our platforms but will also open doors for you to grow faster and smarter. And now, the moment we all have been waiting for. We are introducing Expert Connect. Imagine if you could directly talk to an expert of your industry, ask your doubts and get guidance one-on-one. All these things are possible now. With Expert Connect, you can now follow experts within your industry. Book one-on-one video calls for personalized guidance. You can also now join webinars to directly learn from the best. Get real answers from real practitioners in real time. Whether you are a farmer or a small business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, you will now have the access to mentors, business leaders and industry experts all together inside Bosswala. And this is just one of the many big things. And you can't make me reveal everything here in this video. What I can tell you now is that huge things are coming on your way. Features that can make it easier for you to learn, connect and grow your business. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Join us on this journey. And you know what is the best time to start this? Now. Now if you want to explore Bosswala, download the app now. Learn, grow and take your business to new heights. Because the future belongs to those who takes action. So start now and be the boss. Let's see you inside Bosswala. For downloading the app, you can find the link in my channel profile and description.
Bosswala. Be the boss.